Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the reply message setting in Outlook. First, make sure you are using the classic version. Unfortunately, the new version doesn't currently allow you to customize reply message settings. So go ahead and open the classic version and sign in to your account. Once you're in the dashboard, let's say click on reply to this email. As you can see, this is my current reply message settings. I can see the original email and then just type in my reply. Now, if you want to change this, go to the File tab, click on Option, then choose Mail, scroll down until you find the Replies and Forward section. Here you can customize how Outlook handles replies. You can choose to open replies and forwards in a new window, close the original message, and you can change how the original message appears in your reply. For the reply format, right here, you can choose from Do Not Include Original Message, Attach Original Message, and many more. Let's say I want to use this one. Do not include the original message. So each option changes how the original email appears when you reply. Let's go ahead and click OK. Now, let's discard this. Now, let's open the reply again for this email. And you can see how your new settings look. Again, as I chose earlier, I did not include the original message. And there we go. All I have to do is type in my reply. Just like that. So if you don't like it, you can always go back to the file, Options, Mail, scroll down, and change it again. Don't forget to click OK to activate the changes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.